Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So I am here with another Nykaa haul video. You all know that there was a sale, hot pink sale going on Nykaa, and I had to buy a lot of stuff. मतलब बहुत टाइम से मुझे खरीदना था ये सब. It's not that because sale था इसलिए मैंने buy किया ये सब. These are the things I actually needed. So I have bought all this stuff for the first time. So जो भी आप इस वीडियो में देखने वाले हो आज, all the products I'm going to use for the first time. So most of the stuff is skincare stuff, of course. So without any further ado, I'm just going to stop blabbering now and I'm going to jump right into the video. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video and let's get started. So first thing that I've bought from Nykaa Hot Pink Sale is this serum. This is a face serum by Minimalist. It's also called as Be Minimalist, the brand, and it's the niacinamide 5% plus hyaluronic acid 1% serum. And I have heard such amazing reviews about this. Now everyone thinks that this is a copy of the very famous Ordinary Skincare. So I really wanted to give it a try. So I'll just show you the packaging of this. This comes in a double packaging. So inside you get this box. Now before showing you the actual product, I'm just going to talk about the packaging, the outer packaging of this first. So they have mentioned all the ingredient list, the complete ingredient list is mentioned right here. Then they have also mentioned the niacinamide source from where they have procured this niacinamide. Then they have also mentioned the pH of this product and how it is used, the directions to use this product. Then they also have a barcode kind of a thing, like a scan kind of a thing here that you can scan from your phone and you'll be directed to their website. So वहाँ पे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये product कैसे use करना है, what kind of skin type people can use this product and what is it meant for. Niacinamide is basically vitamin B3. So I'm just going to read out the description of this first. It's a nourishing and hydrating daily serum that repairs and soothes sensitive skin. Niacinamide or vitamin B3 builds an epidermal barrier that acts as a first line of defense against oxidative stress. Hyaluronic acid further seals the moisture inside your skin and remains hydrated for a long time. So this is suitable for all skin types. So I'm super excited to try this product. Now I'm going to show you the actual product. So this is the packaging that was inside that box. So this is how the bottle looks like, the actual bottle. It's the brand name and the niacinamide percentage is mentioned here, the hyaluronic percentage is mentioned here. So it's a glass bottle and it comes with a dropper. So this is the consistency of this product. I'll just show you. See, this is the consistency of this product. It's quite runny and I'm just super excited to try this product. I have heard really good reviews about this product and most of the people have said that they have copied the Ordinary Skincare, but I really feel that if an Indian skincare brand is coming up with such good skincare and nobody can patent the formulas, so I think this is a good try, and if it is actually good as Ordinary Skincare, I mean, then actually kudos to this brand and I am super excited to try this one. I am going to try this for 3-4 weeks and going to come up with a detailed review of this product, so stay tuned for that. Now this was priced at rupees 599 and there was 10% off in the sale, so I have got this for around 549 or something. So I will mention all the prices as usual in the description box down below. Then next I have ordered this moisturizer by Dermafake. It's their fortifying nourishing moisturizer with Derma Refine complex which replenishes antioxidants and boosts ceramide synthesis. So basically this contains ceramide. Now our skin is made of ceramides. Now this is with 5 times ceramide synthesis boost and prevents collagen breakdown and repairs photo damage, giving the skin its natural bounce and youthful feel. So I'm super excited to try this product as well. I have tried Dermafake's toner and that is a bomb product, so I really loved that one. So I've ordered this one. So this is how it looks like. It comes with a pump. So this is the bottle. And I'm super excited to try this. Now all these products I'm trying for the first time, so I can't really give reviews about these products, but I'm going to come up with the review of each and every product, so stay tuned for that. This is priced at rupees 649 and there was around 15 or 20% off on this, so yeah, it's a very good daily moisturizer I feel. Then next I have got this sunscreen by Dermafake. Now it's their Soleil Defense, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This is the revolutionary full light technology, targets 360 degree sun spectrum and shields the skin from the solar aggression of UVA plus UVB plus IR plus visible light. So This is like a technology kind of a thing that I just read in front of you guys. So I really like this, and I have read such good reviews about this sunscreen. I wanted a sunscreen that is not too, mattifying. I don't like mattifying sunscreens at all. I like something that gives me, like my skin hydrated look. So yeah, this is, again, the packaging is quite similar. It comes with a pump bottle, and the texture of this is, I'll just show you a little bit. So this is how it looks like, and it is actually like a moisturizer. I mean, it gets absorbed into your skin and it does not leave any white cast, and it gives that healthy glow to your skin. That's what I liked about this sunscreen, so I have got this one. You see that glow? It's so beautiful, and I don't think so it will make your face look pale like other sunscreens. I mean, look at that glow. I just love this one. So it's a gel creme, so even oily skin people can go for this one. Now this is priced at rupees 749. Again, got it on discount, so around 600 or 650 I got this one. So definitely this one I would highly recommend. I mean, look at that effect. I would recommend this one totally. I have used it 2-3 times and I really liked it. It does not make my face sweaty or like pale, so that's the best part about it. And it's an Indian skincare brand that I am currently loving. I am currently falling for, so I really like Dermafik products. So super excited to try the other ceramide moisturizer along with this one. I'll come up with the review very soon. Next, I have got another product by Dermafik. I have got so much from Dermafik. Now this is their Intensive Restore Body Serum. Now this is a body serum, that's what attracted me. So this is the bottle. This is for dry skin, and you guys know that I have like Sahara Desert dry skin. So I have got this one. This is rich creamy serum with 10x vitamin E benefits, repairs the skin barrier and prevents collagen breakdown. So this is the bottle. Now again, I'm going to show you the consistency of this on this side of my hand. It's quite milky, and see this. It gives such nice and hydrated look to your skin, and it feels so non-sticky and so nice. It gets absorbed within like seconds into your skin, and it smells amazing. It smells just too good. I mean, it's not that overpowering smell that gives you migraines. This is a very nice and soothing smell. Now this is priced at rupees 350, and I have also got another small night replenish body serum that is for all skin types, free with this one. So yeah, I think this is a great buy for dry skin people. Definitely give this a try. Then next, I have got this rose mist by Moha. This is a nice rose mist that contains aloe vera also. So I have used their aloe vera gel, and it is a bomb product. So I really wanted to give this a try. It's just a refreshing facial mist that you can use as a toner as well. I generally use it before applying my skincare to damp my face, and on that I apply my skincare. So this is a very nice product. I have used it quite a bit since the time I have received it, and I loved it. The fragrance is amazing. It is not overpowering again. Now this is priced at rupees 180. Again, it was on 30 or 40% off. It's a very nice rose water, rose face mist that you can like go for. Then next, I have ordered this body wash by Bath and Body Works. It's the famous Atlantic body wash. I know it's from the men's collection, but I really love the fragrance of this one. I have also called for another ocean one. I love their aqua fragrances more. It smells amazing. It is so refreshing, and this was on a discount of 60%, I guess. So I got this for around 699 rupees. The original price of this one is 1299, and it lasts really long. I mean, this bottle goes for around 2 to 3 months. So I definitely would recommend this to everyone who loves aqua fragrances. The ocean one is also nice. Their Noir one is also nice. You can check out which one you like and go for that one. And purchase Bath and Body products during the sale period. I mean, you are going to get amazing discounts on them. Then next, I have ordered this contour stick by K Beauty. This is my first product by K Beauty. I haven't tried anything from this brand. I don't know why. Anyways, so this is enriched with marula oil and vitamin C. Now I really wanted to try contouring, and I found this like a beginner friendly product. So I'll just show you how is the shade. Yeah, it's quite smooth, and It will blend also easily, I feel. I mean, the texture of this is quite smooth. Yeah, look at that. It is blending with my fingers also. It's a good product. Now this was priced at rupees 599, I guess, and I got this for around 499. It was on 15% off or something. So yeah, it's a quite good product. It's in the shade Caramel Focus. It's in the shade Caramel Focus. Yeah, quite a good product, beginner friendly product. I would highly recommend to everyone. Then next I have ordered these two brushes by Pro Arte. Now this one is a blending brush, foundation and loose powder, loose finishing powder blending brush. I really wanted a good one. So this is the number PP16. So this is the brush. This is how it looks like. Just a second. So it's super smooth. I mean, the bristles of this is super smooth. I think this will be a great blending brush. I still have to give it a try and get back to you guys on this one. But I really feel that bristles are quite smooth and it will blend perfectly. Okay, this was priced at rupees 525 and there was 10% off on this one. And this is another brush. This is a smudging liner brush. This is like a pointed bristles wala brush. So you can use it for your smoky eyeliners and in the corner of your eyes you have to use highlighter. You can use this brush. For that I have called this and called for this one. See, look at this. The bristles are very good quality. I love Pro Arte brushes. Now this is the number PE29 and this was priced at rupees 325. Again, there was a 10% off on this one. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want a full video on my brush collection and what all brushes I have, a detailed video. Let me know in the comment section down below. Now next I have got this Miss Claire matte powder lipstick. No, it's not powder, it's power. Okay, it's matte power lipstick and it's been a while in the market and I really wanted to try this formula because it is quite a budget friendly product. So this is priced at 395 rupees only. Now I love the Maybelline Super Stay liquid matte lipsticks, but I really wanted to try this formula because I wanted option in the budget friendly category. So yeah, this is the packaging. I really love the packaging. I mean, they have really upped their game. Miss Claire has really upped their game with the packaging. It feels super luxurious. Now I have called for the shade 03. I'll just show you the swatch of that shade. So yeah, it is quite pigmented and it looks super smooth. I really love the shade as well. I mean, it's perfect mauve shade that I was looking for and I think it will suit my skin tone perfectly. I really like the formula. Now I have to see how long lasting this is once applied on the lips. So I will get back to you on this also with the review video. So stay tuned for that. Overall, I really like the appearance of this lipstick and the way the formula is and the way it is applied. It's quite good. You can definitely go for this one. It's quite budget friendly, just for 395 rupees. So yeah, definitely go for this one. Then next I have got this combo. This is by the Love Beauty and Planet. This is their argan oil and lavender aroma smooth and serene conditioner and shampoo. This is how the packaging looks like. Look at those huge bottles. I mean, it will last for almost 2 to 3 months aram se, and these were on discount of 40%. This is the shampoo is priced at 600 rupees and the conditioner is priced at 650 rupees, but I got it at around 300 each, so that was a steal deal for me. Now this is specifically for like controlling frizz, and it's monsoon and your hair tends to get frizzy, so for that reason I have got this. Now this is no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, nothing at all, and this is cruelty free and it's a it's an Indian hair care brand and I really wanted to give it a try. I heard really good reviews about it. Now I have also got this amazing, this amazing jute bag free with it. So cute this is. So this is how it is. Super cute color. So I really wanted to give this a try because my hair has become quite frizzy because I am having a hair growth and a lot of baby hair are coming, like in my hairline. So I really wanted to give this a try and see whether it actually controls the frizz or not. And I'm going to come up with the detailed review of this one once I use it for around a month's time, and I will get back to you guys on this one. Do let me know in the comment section down below what all you want me to review out of all these items. Start commenting in the comment section down below. Alright, और कुछ बचा है क्या? I don't think so. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and this video of mine helped you. Do let me know in the comment section down below what else you want to watch on my channel and also what products you want me to review. So I'm going to end my video here and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.